Super bright solar lights, waterproof 10-pack. Dusk-to-Dawn up to 12-hour solar. Powered outdoor. Pathway garden lights auto on off. LED landscape lighting decorative for walkway patio yard. Brand new AGO. Color cool white. Material plastic, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Style solar garden. Pathway lights decorative. Light fixture form path. High brightness and attractive pattern. Arago solar outdoor. Walkway light solar powered adopts high power LED. Lamp beads and high transmittance lampshade to make our solar lights brighter than ordinary solar path lights. Plus, it is more perfect to project attractive mandala pattern, adding a finishing touch to your daily and holiday decorations like Halloween and Christmas. Use garden lights to extend your evenings. Be ready to get compliments from neighbors. Note, spikes are inside the tubes. Dusk-to-Dawn light up all night. Arago solar lights. Outdoor waterproof use thickened. Corrosion-resistant materials that are more durable and rust-free than cheap solar garden lights. Premium solar panel and higher capacity rechargeable battery means our solar outdoor lights can effectively absorb more sunlight and converts it into electricity. Charging for 6 to 8 hours in the sun can continuously glow for 8 to 12 hours, which greatly meets your needs for brightness effect and lighting duration. Creative design and wide application. Arago's 10-pack outdoor solar pathway lights are well designed and height adjustable. The exquisite black appearance and crystal clear cover makes solar yard lights look more advanced and textured. Upgraded ABS plastic ground pegs provide better stability and sturdiness. With IP40 for waterproof grade, you can use solar landscape lights anywhere outdoors, such as garden, lawn, flower bed, patio, pathway or deck, etc. No worries about rain, snow or bad weather. Worry-free installation and maintenance-free. Arago's maintenance-free solar-powered outdoor lights are easy to assemble. Just remove the isolator tab under the light cap and insert the stakes into ground as a solar ground lights or put it on flat table. The solar backyard lights are 100% solar-powered. They automatically turn on at dusk and turn off at dawn, making it more cost-effective. Our solar lawn lights are designed just for you to be easy to use, while saving you money on electricity. Putting the Arago into backyard. We are so certain you won't find cheaper solar-powered outdoor lights that we offer such a great valuable pack. With these decent outdoor solar landscape lights, your garden will continue to shine after dark. In any case the LED pathway lights stop working, please email us and talk to one of our helpful and friendly staff.